Hey girls, it's ARMANIB. Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I style my natural babe island girl wave locks in 11 different ways. My hair was installed by KINKY. She's located in Miami, so if you want to check her out, here's her Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and jump right into this video. Style number 1 is super simple and super cute. It's pretty much parted to the side and tied back. I like this style because it keeps the hair out of my face and it shows off my edges.
I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you want me to.
On to style number 2, also super simple and cute. 2 ponytails, half up and half down. I got my scrunchies from Target and it helps give my look a more accessorized feel. Style number 3, a simple half up and half down, and I also added a scrunchie that I got from Target. I love these scrunchies because they just spice up your look. Next up, style number 4, super cute, super simple. The only thing that I changed was that I put 2 locks hanging in the front. So I just pulled these 2 locks down and I switched it up with my scrunchie that I also got from Target. Instead of wearing them with the middle part, you can put them to the side, give yourself a little side bang. Super cute. Switch up your ponytail holder, and I'm telling you, it's a look every time. Style number 5, space buns, and I decided to put 2 hanging locks in the front. Style number 6, a super high ponytail. I also love this look because you can turn your super high ponytail into a super high bun. I swear, I promise, I did not dig in my nose. I promise I didn't. It was just a little itch and I had to scratch it, and I was not about to edit it out because I'm human and don't even do that. Style number 7, a low side ponytail. I love this look, super simple. Oh my gosh, I keep saying super simple, but these locks are literally super simple and super cute. You can do a lot of things with them. You can spice them up in different ways. Like, if you don't know what to do to your hair, I suggest getting faux locks. I did tie my hair with a shoestring instead of a ponytail holder because I just kind of feel like a shoestring held it in place better than a ponytail holder could, because these locks are pretty freaking thick.
Think I wanna make that move now. Baby, tell me if you like it.
Now we got style number 8. The low half up, half down. It's not the same as the high, the low one. This is personally my fave. Like, if you see me sporting my locks, I'm usually wearing it like this. Style number 9. 2 ponytails all the way up, not half down. And I did spice them up with my scrunchies from Target. Style number 10, I like to call this the Pocahontas. I take some locks from the front and I just simply tie them around, and I use a ponytail holder. Last but not least, style number 11, the top knot, half up and half down. And that is literally it for how I style my locks. These are super versatile, and this is one of my favorite hairstyles. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you guys in the next video.